How to download a video from a private Telegram channel on Android. This tutorial shows you how to save any video straight to your gallery. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device and head over to the private channel with the video you want to save. After that, scroll through the channel and tap on the video to open it in full screen. From there, once the video is open, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. At this point, a small pop-up will appear with a couple of options. Go ahead and tap Save to Gallery. In the next step, the video will begin downloading and will be saved directly to your phone's gallery once it's done. Following this, depending on the size of the video, it may take a few seconds or a little longer to fully save. Once completed, open your gallery app and you'll find the video sitting there, ready to watch or share whenever you need it. Finally, keep in mind that some private channels may have content protection enabled, which would prevent the save option from appearing. In that case, the channel owner has restricted downloads. And that's it. If this guide helped you save a video from a private Telegram channel on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Telegram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.